I was referred by a friend who spoke very highly of this practice. I like best about Lakeside Dental that it doesn't feel like an ordinary dental office. My time is accommodated and everyone is very nice.
I like that when you walk in the door, they treat you like your family. So they know your story, they talk with you, you know about their children, they know about yours. It's like you're being treated like family and not a patient.
I never have a long wait time, and Dr. Chupp always takes the time to talk to me and never makes me feel rushed.
I believe our patients find value in the fact that we care about them, we get to know them, and they become part of our family. We like to offer them comfortable treatment options as well as caring, compassionate visits.
Lakeside Dental Care's mission is to provide dentistry in a warm, welcoming atmosphere, using the latest technology and always providing transparency to all our patients. My favorite thing about my job is the opportunity to meet new people every day, and it gives me a chance to interact with all walks of life and help them on their journey to oral health. The best aspect of our practice for our patients is our team. I'm lucky to be surrounded by a supportive team who helps our patients feel comfortable and welcomed into our office every day.
The staff at Lakeside Dental is very friendly. They treat you like you're their best friend, and they take very good care of you.
The office culture at Lakeside Dental Care is fun. It's comfortable. We try to get to know the patients. We like to laugh with our patients and get to know them. We laugh with each other. We laugh at ourselves. And it's a wonderful, wonderful place to work.
All of us here together, I think we just all really enjoy working here in this practice. We love working together. We laugh a lot. And that means a lot to patients, you know, because when they come in and they hear that laughter and they hear that joy, it's calming to them.
Dr. Chupp is amazing. He will take the time you need to answer all of your questions. During one of the very first times that I met Dr. Chupp, I had a dental emergency and needed to call him on a Saturday morning. He answered the phone, answered all of my questions, didn't rush me, made sure that I had the antibiotic that I needed for an abscess tooth. He is always there to answer your questions and to make sure that you know that you are top priority.
I have honestly worked for many dentists, and it's really hard to find someone that you can work side by side with so easily. And his just daily demeanor, his personality, everything just makes it a pleasant day when you're working side by side with him.
We try to educate our clients by showing them pictures of their teeth, not just x-rays, but intraoral photos. And I think that the doctor's just wonderful at speaking comfortably to the patients and getting to know them and seeing how they like to learn or interact.
We offer all aspects of dental care at Lakeside Dental, from emergency dentistry to cosmetic dentistry. I've invested a lot of time and energy into continuing education, so I'm able to provide these services predictably.
What I like is convenience, availability of the doctor, times that I can work my way around to be able to be seen. One time I had an emergency and I called in and there was not a problem to come in and see it. You know, that's one of the most important factors. And of course, it's the same thing about being, you know, a long-term customer. You know, you feel like you are home.
So we try to make our practice as convenient as possible for our patients. We offer online scheduling. We offer online paperwork, so you can get it all done on your personal time without having to wait at the office. We also offer the ability to get in touch with me at any time. So if a patient ever needs to reach me on the phone in, let's say, an emergency situation, they can easily reach me with one push of a button at any time, and I'm available to them. So the way we personalize dental care is we always listen to our patients. So A lot of the times we hear from patients that they weren't listened to in their previous practice, and just by giving them a chance to open up to us and let us know what their concerns are or what made them afraid or uncomfortable in the past, it really gives us a chance to work with them and help them move past that.
I feel like a lot of places you go, they will give you all of this treatment because they're going with this more invasive treatment plan and an overall thing that sometimes isn't exactly necessary. We only do what's right for the patient. We give them the treatment that is needed and necessary and nothing more.
We are very transparent with our treatment plans here at Lakeside Dental Care. We try to make sure that we offer in-house financing plans. We have ways to be able to check to see if you are eligible for a finance option, and it does not affect your credit at all.
I would say the biggest compliment we get from our patients is at the post-operative phone call. So after any patient has seen me for a procedure, I give them a call the next day. On that phone call, not only are they really happy that I called to check on them, but they also always tell me that they're not feeling as much pain as they were expecting, they were comfortable, and they're overall very happy.
Well, I would say consider Lakeside Dental. That's what I will say. They are caring and they are willing to work with the patient. Based on my experience, that will be my first choice to recommend them.
I would absolutely recommend Lakeside Dental to family and friends. They are top-notch as far as technology goes and how they approach your teeth. They are very gentle whenever they are doing procedures. I'm someone who gets very anxious when having my teeth worked on. I don't feel like that when I come here.
So when a patient comes into our office, the most important thing I feel they should be leaving or walking away with is that they felt like they were heard, that we listened to their concerns, and that we have a clear vision and goal that matches up with their vision and goal of their goals for their oral health.